Double stops are, well, double stops. You get the idea. If you're playing violin, you know, double stops are not always easy. If you're enjoying the videos, please let me know. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page where I'm doing walkthrough of many different etudes and also posting lots of duets for two violins and sometimes violin and viola. I hope to see you there soon. I'm going to post a video of a walkthrough of this etude as well. So I hope you will find it helpful. I hope to see you there. Thank you very much for your support.